We are indeed very grateful. My brother and friend who passes 7 rivers to reach Onega for this exercise, John Tolofare, you are welcome. This is a man whom I am well pleased. He is one of my financiers, one of the men who make me to be Bugayin. That is our Honorable Professor Henry Ogiri. I recognize all you have done in our Orashi region in Rivers State, and your support our leader Nyesom Wike. I appreciate you. I want to personally appreciate, even though he's not here, who have also contributed to the success of this revalidation exercise. Our leader, our mentor, the former Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Chibudom Uche, for his support for this program. I want to appreciate the National Assembly members. They are not only present here, they also contributed immensely for the success of this program. To the GDI family in Oba, Ebema, and Ndoni local government area, in all the Rivers West and Central District, for making this occasion here today a successful one. I want to appreciate all of you. Why are we here? We are here to revalidate our GDI in this Central District. I'm happy the national president is here. You can see for yourself. The moment crowd. We want to use forum to beg you, if our national patron and leader, who have a vast land, can also build another stadium, because here can no longer contain GDI members. The whole place is filled up to the brim. That is why you see everybody is gathered just like a sardine, because of the love we have for him. We have no other leader. Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike is our leader, is my mentor today, tomorrow, and forever. When Judge Kelly was speaking, he said, no corner, follow man who know road. Brother Felix Amaechi Obuah and all his supporters here in Oba, Ebema, Ndoni local government area, our leader and mentor whom we are following is no other person but Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike. Men should live to be appreciative. Many speakers have said it, but not for this man effort. Most of us today who are standing before you as leaders would not have been here. What have we to pay back than our humble loyalty? Somebody once said that 99.9 loyalty is not loyalty. Somebody, my leader is here. He said leadership is blind, crippled. I am blind, I am crippled. If one week is a sin, I will sin. I am not going to support the man 99.9%. I will support our leader 100%. If you are with me in the same page, that you pay back somebody who have helped you with good, let me say hands up. Oh. Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, although you are not here, but I hope you are hearing us. All the mama proud, all the mama gathered here today are saying, I should let you know, go and sleep. So far as Onega, Orashi, River West, Central District is concerned, we are fully in support of you any day, anytime.